Hi, this is Reethia from Reed Jewelry. Hope you all are fine. Today I have bought some earrings for you, our latest collections. In rhodium plating, you will get different colors. I hope the video is clear. So let's begin. The first earring, this one. This is in complete rhodium plating, the pure rhodium plating. I would especially like to mention here, as we used only the premium quality, the AAA quality stone star cut, and it is the base metal is brass. So whatever you get at Reed Jewelry, it's nothing in low or medium quality. It's just the fine export quality what we use for our for our clients, or to meet our clients' requirements. So I hope it's very clear for you, the prong setting or the finishing, what I should say. These are the lovely earrings which you can use for any occasion with any of your outfit to enhance your beauty. These are the earrings which are one of the most demanded earrings at Reed's Jewelry. Our customers or the wholesalers, they have picked up in bulk because they are moving fast. I have some colors also in this. I have the green one. I have done in gold plating also with a pink stone. Look, I showed you the rhodium, we have in gold plating, blue, full white with the gold plating, a mint green. So you can choose according to your requirement if you want the silver plating or the gold plating. It's up to your choice. Next, look at this finish. This is a party wear ear danglings in pink color with rhodium plating. We have some chokies here. Just look, as we are the diamond replicas with the ruby danglings. Beautiful. Again, you get in complete silver also. This is with baby pink danglings. This is the complete silver. Again, the mint green. Stock is moving very fast as the festivities are ahead. So please, I would request you pick up your color now, because it would be difficult for you to get ready in stock. Yes, sure, you can get it manufactured with us again as per your quantity requirements. But if you want in single piece, in per design, we can give that also in your orders. But you have to choose your colors, book your orders as soon as possible. Now I would like to show you some earrings which are just for the western outfits. Look at this. It will give you a sterling silver finish, though it's just the rhodium plating in high quality. Wear any black outfit or any western outfit and carry this earrings and you're ready to go. Beautiful. And this, we have only this rhodium plating one, no colors, just the single one. But yes, this will complete your look. Now one more. This is also somewhere for western outfits. With Indian we have lots of varieties, but in Western, with Indian you can carry maybe all which you can carry with Western, but for some Western outfits we really need which gives you a Western design. So these two we have kept in mind this, and got it done from our karigars. This also you have in single rhodium plating, no colors in this, just the silver. Now the last one for today, this very delicate, elegant, stunning earrings. Carry with any of your outfit. Again, you're ready to go. So these beautiful earrings are ready in stock as of now, but as I mentioned, they are moving fast because of the festive seasons is ahead. So please choose your color now, and if you have manufacturing orders, or maybe you need stock in wholesale for your store or for online, for any further details and support, contact us at the number given below, and we are here to support you in all possible ways. Thank you so much.